this is the Excel Blades Magnivisor. It's available in purple, black, and cream, and it has 4 different magnification options. One is in this eyeglass that is rotatable so that you can move it out of the way if you don't need it. There are 2 magnification levels in the main lens, and then when you flip it over, you also have additional magnification levels that can be activated through this click down or click up lens. So all you do, flip it out or click it in. This also rotates so that if you need it out of your way, you don't have to take it off. You can just rotate up the lenses with a comfortable forehead strap. You can also adjust it through the Velcro strap at the back, as tight or as loose as you need it. This is a great tool for people working with miniatures, modeling, tiny metalsmithing work, jewelry, anything like that.